How to blur symbols in Illustrator. Now I'm using Illustrator CC 2019, but the same approach can be used in earlier as well. Now, first thing to do, just get the graphic styles and symbols panels. You can find those in the Windows, and there, Window and Symbols and Graphic Styles. So once you've got that, I'm just going to create some types. So I'm just going to create some very basic type. It can be anything. I'm just going to create that. I'm just going to make that a bit bigger. And once done that, resize it slightly there. I'm going to apply an effect. So I'm just going to go to Effect and go down to Blur and Gaussian Blur. And then select the preview so you can actually see the thing. And there. Right, I'm just going to set it about 7, 8, whatever. Click OK. Once you've actually done that, just going to go over to the graphic styles because I want to save it as a graphic style, that blur. So I'm just going to go there, new graphic style. Now, of course, you can apply the same sort of blur effect to any other shape as well, design. So now you see that, you've got a graphic style with that blur. Just going to delete that type now. Just going to create another shape, just anything, just basically just a triangle there. And I'm going to save that as a symbol. So I'm going to blur that symbol. Now I could of course just go to the effect menu and just apply an overall blur to the design. So they've got there, select there, and just drag that over into the symbols. Now it's become a symbol. Right, just going to delete it because I'm actually going to use the symbol sprayer. So I'm just going to go to symbol sprayer. I can find it. There it is, symbol sprayer tool, and just click and apply a few symbols. Now you can just go to the effect menu and apply a blur over the whole thing, or you just now go to the graphic style and just click there and apply a blur to the whole design. Now, but if you want to say apply it to an individual part of that design, so you can see there, I've just clicked there, you can see it applied to the whole lot. I just want to apply it actually just to one part of the design. So way around that, obviously, is just click there with the actual thing without actually having the symbols actually selected, so they're not applied. And then just go to the symbol styler tool, and then you notice there I've got nothing selected. Nothing selected. As soon as I select something, then I can now go to the symbol style and I can apply that style I've actually selected in the graphic styles panel. And you can apply that to the individual designs then. So you get a blur in some places and then not in other areas. Hope you found this of interest.